Hi everyone, Cheryl here today, and today I'm sharing the cute little pouch, the Valentine's pouch I made, and I used the Kadoodlebug Designs little chocolate bunny on the front. And so I did have some requests to make this, and the little suckers, I just decorated them with some die cuts, so you could pretty much do however. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is pick your design paper, and the paper I picked is this one here. I think it's Cheryl. It's from American Crafts, and the inside worked perfect for that top border that you see. And so the first piece you'll want to cut is you want about an 8 1/4 by 4 inches for your base. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to use some score tape, and I do use a little bit of glue, hot glue as well on that. And so I think I'm going to go with this side. So we'll just run, I think this is a 1/4 inch. And then let me go get a little bit of hot glue on here. I like to add a little bit, and so I did just like that. And then you just want to roll this, oops, like so. And that's just going to help hold that as long as my glue didn't dry. Too bad. Okay, let's see before I got it to stick. So on the bottom part, I want to use the 1/8 inch score tape, and the only reason why I want to do that is because I want to cut the bottom with some of the pinking shears, and then I want to open it back up, and this way everything lines up. And so I'm just going to put a little bit inside. I don't know if you could see. I don't know, maybe like a 1/4 inch inside. And this is just going to help us get this to hold so I can run those scissors really quick. And then I'll come back in with some hot glue and get it to stick. And that way it'll hold whatever candy you choose to put in there. Okay, so we've got now our little tube. So now what we want to do is just come along the bottom and go ahead and snip. Let's see if I can get these to work. That's why I didn't want any hot glue or anything in there. Now I'll just open that back up. I just put my hand in and opened it back up. And I'm going to run that bead of glue just inside, like so, and then close it back up. Now, if you don't want to use hot glue, you could use score tape or the red glue, however, whichever one you like. Okay, so we've got all that done. Let me move these out of the way, and the scissors are back in there. So now what we want to do is cut a 1 1/4 by 10 inch piece to go around the top here. Well, it really doesn't have to be 10. I made it bigger. I just always do that, but I'd rather have too much than not enough. And then I'm just gonna punch out my border, and I'm just using a Martha Stewart punch. Oops, and I skipped one. Oh no. Oh, how did I do that? Leave that to me. Oh no. Oh well. I don't know what is going on. It's a no coffee kind of day. Oh my. Okay. Well, we're just gonna make that work anyways. So this is for my granddaughter. She's not gonna she's not gonna know that it's off. They're gonna get so many little treat things that I'm making, so it's really not gonna be a big deal. It's off a little bit, but at least the front will be right where it needs to be. So we're gonna go ahead and put that on. And so what I'm gonna do is run the score tape on this. And I should have used the thicker one. I have different sizes, but we're just going to work with what I have pulled. And there's my little tool. I want to get these pulled off of here. Now, these are super easy to make and fun. You can put little teeny candy bars, and you can cover them with coordinating paper or whatever. I wanted to do each of the girls is going to get one of the suckers, and then they'll have let's try to get that on there because I'm not covering that with anything else. And then I'll stick some other kind of candy in there. I guess I could cut some of that off, right? Why not? Why leave it all? So we'll just cut. There we go. And if you want, and I'm going to add a little bit of glue to seal that right up, like so. And so that's going to be the back. So our seams are in the back. You could always cover it with a bow. So for my little decorations on here, I kept it really simple and just used some die cuts I had already cut out. So I have some little hearts. And then of course I made another one of these and the little bow I'll hot glue on. And then we'll be done. So I'm going to use to pop, I'm going to use some glue on these. And I'm just using the art glitter glue, and I'm just going to kind of run it a little bit. I think I'm going to I'll do a couple videos on some of the little Valentine's treats. I'll have to do, because I've got quite a few things I'm making and that I have made. I need to have 3 of each, so it's not too hard to do the video while you're making another. So I just figured I'd get the glue on the edge here and a little bit in the center. And then, so you could use a doily, whatever you want, or some of the shapes to put on the back. And then I'm just gonna pop her right off those using just some of the little foam tabs. I'm using the thicker ones. Usually I use the thinner ones, but for this one I want her to pop. And she's so cute. Okay, so we'll just do this. I mean, they come together so quick, and you could, like I said, just cover up the candy and have it coordinate would be fun. So there's that. So she's there. And then I'm going to hot glue this one and we'll be done. And then you can fill it with tulle, or I used this stuff. It's like a bag filler, but you can get it at, I think, the Dollar Tree for $1 or something. I've got several colors. I just didn't have any pink. And so I do hope you enjoyed my video today. And I will put the measurements below for you as well. And if you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos, please do follow. And thank you for stopping by, and have a good day.